Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. I just want to jump in here this morning and reach out and wish each and every single one of you a very Merry Christmas. It's been a great year for us here at Ken Rogers Mostly Outdoors, and I can't wait to bring in the new year. And we got exciting stuff coming. I hope to bring more to the channel. Maybe do some more lives. I ended up here doing a few lives, and it seemed to go over well. So we're gonna bring back more live feeds. I don't know how regular, but try to do at least one a week, maybe. We introduced food review videos this past year, and they went over much better than expected. So we're going to continue that. And what else did we do? We tried to bring back some cocktails. We're going to do that as we can. They did so on the cocktail videos, but we're still going to do some. I do enjoy doing them, so we're going to do all that. But guys, yeah, again, thank you so much for a great year. 2023 has been challenging at times, but it's been successful, and we've had a great year. The channel did grow. We grew this year, and that's always good. And I have you to thank for that. So I'll keep doing this. Like I say, as long as you keep watching them, we're going to keep doing this because I am having a blast. So guys, as traditional around here, around the first of the year, I'm taking a couple weeks off just to chill, take care of my family, take care of me. And guys, we're going to come back here in a few weeks and get going with some more videos. So guys, again, Merry Christmas. God bless each and every one of you, and we'll see you in a few weeks. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.